Hey everyone, what's going on? Dr. Taylor, Spark Chiropractic, putting out our official announcement of our 9th annual Patient Appreciation Day. I started rumbling about this about 2 months ago, honestly right on time. You do 9 of these, you start to figure out when people start to ask. So this is the announcement, our 9th annual Patient Appreciation Day. Thursday, October 10th, regular hours, 8:30 to noon, 3 to 6. You know the routine, you know the drill. We're gonna do free adjustments all day long. We're going to have free soft wave, free decompression. We've got food. We've got breakfast ordered, lunch part 2 ordered, dinner ordered. Prizes, we've got over $3,000 worth of prizes. We're doing the awesome stuff again. We're doing the 65-inch TV. We're doing the Cowboys tickets. We're doing the Stars tickets. What else we got here? We got air fryers. We got cold hard cash. We got Stanley Cups. We got gift cards. We've got companies that are already reaching out to us. Hey, can we be a part of this? Can we sponsor this? Can we make a donation? Man, $3,000 might even be a low bar of all the stuff we're giving away. And as usual, too, all week long, the entire week, new patients are going to be free. Free exams, free consultations, free x-rays, free first adjustment. If you need decompression, we'll put that on. If you need soft wave, we'll put that on all week long. But the big day, 9th annual Patient Appreciation Day, Thursday, October 10th, next week on Thursday. You've been waiting for it 364 days from now. It's here. You're welcome. We're doing it again. And why? Just to say thanks. I'll see you on Thursday.